What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? Yes, I'm in the truck, and we've got a little bit of an issue that needs a tissue with my son Zach. He asked to borrow the car, the Trans Am Ghost, my 1,000 horsepower race car, to take to school for a Clash of the Clubs thing or something. And he's a part of a car club there at the school, and he wanted to take the car, and I was like, yeah, that's fine, take the car, everything's good, you know how to drive it, I feel comfortable with you driving the car. And yeah, he broke the car. He broke the car. And I'm in the process of going to pick up the car with a trailer that I had to spend money to rent because I don't have my own trailer. If anybody out there wants to donate a trailer to DFR, let me know. He is currently on Weaver Road, of all places, at a park on Weaver Road. Go figure. Go figure. I don't understand why this kid breaks everything that he sits in and drives. Everything. Everything. Let's go get him, guys. Let's go get the car. Let's go get him.
So we realized that it looks like this hose right here coming off the power steering, that foil down there is hitting directly into the manifold, and it looks like it probably burnt through. Look at this stuff. That is the same. You can't really see it, but it's orange in there. So at first I was freaking out. I thought it was oil, and I was like, there's no way the turbo just exploded on the one time I drive this car. But we're lucky, it's just a power steering hose. I already called my dad, so he thinks it's just been rubbing up, slowly burning there. So it sucks. He's actually coming with a trailer, but it had to be the one time I take the car to a meet. The only time I've ever driven this 1998 Firebird Formula, the car I was probably conceived in. Here we are, without power steering fluid and a mess on the ground. So yep, good day, guys, good day. Well, making light of that situation, this is my buddy's 350Z that we kind of showed off a little bit. Buddy's Skyline we kind of showed off a little bit. The Lincoln, which is stunning as ever. And then this, it's nothing crazy, it's my one friend, it's a WRX. It's actually an automatic WRX, which is kind of cool. You don't really see them very often. It is surprisingly fast. Mostly stock, just has like a little cob access port thingy in it. But I'm so bummed out about that. Like, I was so excited to drive that back. I mean, it's a blast to drive. And like, even without, obviously, like, obviously I'm not beating on it because it scares the hell out of me, to be honest. But like, it's just, it's a ton of fun to drive. It's a ton of fun to get, because you get looks everywhere. So, sucks I won't be driving it back. I was really excited for that. But, you know, race car life, am I right? This is what happens. God, killing me. Killing me. Unbelievable. Okay, well, see you guys when Andy shows up. Oh, wait, can I ride his? That's 1,000.
Oh, that's not 1,000. You don't know how to ride a Grom. What are you doing? Here, just put the clutch. Oh, you dumbass. All right, put the kickstand down. You're done.
Next one up.
Put it down. Oh my God.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
Oh wait. How do you start it?
Not like that.
Zach, you said you know how to ride a bike.
He does not know how to ride a bike. Put it in neutral. One up. Goofy.
It's in neutral.
Is it? You sure?
I put it like up. I said more.
Yeah. Oh my God. And then don't do nothing with the gas.
I know.
Don't do shit with. What are you doing? Walk with it. Okay. No, don't rev it up. Don't rev it up. Get off the gas. Get off the gas, Goofy.
I'm fine.
Oh my God.
Let's go.
No. Oh my God. No.
No, let him go. Let him go.
No. Don't go. No. Zach. Oh God. He's gonna fucking die. No helmet. Jesus Christ.
Oh, Jax. He misses his CBR. Dude, he misses his CBR.
I'm gonna go buy another one.
That's 1,000, right? Definitely not. And he's gone. He gave me the keys to the truck. He said just leave when I'm ready.
Chuck, I'll take the bird.
I think people will stop it.
Huh?
Dude, you know he's loving this. It's been so long since he rode a bike. Thank you, Jack, for bringing. Thank you, Jack. Shout out, Jack. Why does he look so serious?
Why is he like so
I'm gonna get a
small?
whirly on it. Get a wheelie.
No, dude, it's the perfectly sized bike for you. Everything's proportional.
I think it's just 2200.
So as you guys know, I fixed my power steering lines here. You probably can't see them, to be honest, and they're still like, I think I overfilled it, to be honest. So basically my power steering's fixed, this power steering's fucked. Pop the hood, let's see what's going on.
The puddle's behind it. We moved it.
I noticed. I'm gonna show them the trail.
The trail literally goes back there, and then it's just a it just starts with a random single drop. It's just completely random in the middle of that parking lot.
It had to have burned through.
It did.
Yeah, look at that, guys. Holy smokes. What I think happened here is the exhaust just over time.
I showed him already where it's
Oh,
at.
did you? Okay, well, if you've seen it earlier in the video, the exhaust over time just burned through.
Look at that silver down there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it burned through the power steering line. That's exactly what happened. It just burned through the power steering line. Ow, I just hurt myself. Yeah, it burned through the power steering line, and it's leaking all my exhaust down there, which isn't a big deal.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's definitely...
Probably never have to get the burnouts.
Oh, yeah, that's...
the triple burnouts and donuts.
Oh, yeah, that's definitely a dunzo. Oh, yeah, that's definitely dunzo, dude.
Maybe
It's definitely leaking from there.
Lines against the manifold laying there.
Well, no, I had the heat wrap around it because they are close on this kit, but I'm just gonna have to tie them up away even further. The T-top. Don't break that thing.
You said drop it?
You'll be dead.
Is that a beard hair?
It was, yeah.
One of the silver ones, one of the black ones?
One of mine.
That doesn't change my question. What's it like owning a race car? That's not gonna work.
That's gonna work, Linda.
Linda? You like that? You guys like that?
Back and forth. Keep it going. Keep it going. Do you want long arms?
How are you gonna get the T-top back on?
Okay.
How are you gonna get the T-top back on? The window's up.
Give me this. Goofy.
Hey, the window's up. How are you gonna get the T-top back on?
Okay, get up there and get my key. Turn the key on. Get the key.
What?
You know, long finger on the arm.
Shut up, ho. I want the key come out. There it is.
Don't break my window, you bog. You got it? Alright, here, put the T-top back on.
What do you mean put the T-top back on? How am I gonna reach in and close the handle?
You open the door a little bit and close the handle.
You got long arms.
Yeah.
Stop
Skinny
assisting
fucking
him.
arms too.
Yeah, Zach, you pussy.
I do like having the T-tops off. Just aggressively berate him.
You're gonna suck at things, Zach.
Good to go.
All right, let's go get all the straps.
Oh my God.
Thanks to Zach breaking her. Unbelievable, this kid. Every vehicle he has, he breaks. Every single one. That is a badass Lincoln right there. These are Zach's friends. 350Z, Scooby-Doo, and an old Lincoln, which is pretty awesome, actually. So we're all strapped down. We're actually gonna go get some food and then get this thing back to the shop and unload it. Oh boy, here we go. See, there goes his wheel. Your wheel's gonna go in like this. Does it do burnouts? That's windshield wipers. I said burnouts. This is terrible. I'm literally instigating underagers. Oh, it installed. Never mind. All right, let's go get food. Let's go get food. All right, guys, we're back at the shop here. The car's unstrapped. Zach's gonna go ahead and start her up and bring her in real quick. Gonna have to fix that power steering line eventually. But at least it wasn't anything major, which is a good thing. All right, you ready? Go ahead and start her up.
Oh my God, I did this.
Keep her running. Slowly back her up. It'll tilt down on its own. It's a tilting trend. Just go slow, and I'll lock it.
Oh, I gotta read the
That's not.
He breaks up. He breaks
That's
up.
not. And that's yeah.
He breaks
Goofy.
up.
Come on, man.
I've never driven a stick car.
Starts up a little bit better. Slowly go back. Keep coming. It'll tilt on its own. Keep coming. Yeah, keep coming. I'll tell you when to stop. Go ahead. Keep going. Keep going. There we go. Keep going. A little bit more. A little bit more. Stop. Let me lock the piston. All right, good. Get it off.
I've never used one in my life.
You're good. Plenty of room. Good.
Right now.
You're gonna hit the ground here soon. You're on ground, buddy. Keep going. You're on ground. You're dripping. Lots of dripping. Drip, 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 drip. Slow. Keep going. Good. All right, pull her in the shop. Oh, there's a truck coming. I would say get out on the road and then come wide. Just pull right in. Straighten her up. Good, right on in, buddy. Up, start her up again. Brake, there you go. Start her up. She's like, nope. She's like, nope. Don't let off the brake, Goofy. I can't push it forward if you're pushing. Goofball.
Okay, hold on. Foot down.
Then off the brake. All right, guys. Well, hopefully the bird's a simple fix, it looks like. But Zach obviously had a really good time driving her to school. Second to last day of school for him. And he wanted to take the bird. He wanted to take the bird and he wanted to enjoy it. And they had this class of clubs and all this other stuff. So he ended up doing all that and he had a really good time with it. So I'm happy he was able to drive it. She's gonna sit for a little bit just because of the fact that I've got a lot of stuff going on here at the shop. I'm really not gonna have time to look at her just yet. But hopefully we'll get her fixed up. We'll get her fixed up pretty soon here. I'm not too worried about it. It's just a power steering line, easy to fix. Easy power steering line to fix that my kid broke. So nonetheless, guys, that's the video. The bird is down, Ghost is down again, and we got to fix her again. So that's just how life works sometimes when you have a race car. That is the race car life. That is. What are you doing in there? What you doing in there?
So if you want to come record, we can put this on a different site.
Oh my God. All right, guys, we're gonna end this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram Diablo Formula Racing, and as always, hit that notification bell as well. Put it on all so you can get future content and videos coming out from this channel. I guess that's about it, guys. Deuces.